Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. I am from Behriya College, PNET. This is your maths period of class 5. Today in our class, we will do questions related to multiplications from exercise 1C, page number 15. Before starting questions from exercise, let's revise some important point which we have learned in the previous class of multiplication. Multiplication has three parts. One is called multiplicand, the other one is called multiplier, and the next one is called product. What is multiplicand? The number which is to be multiplied is called multiplicand, and the number by which it is multiplied is called multiplier, and the answer or the result of multiplication is called product. Today we will continue our multiplication topic and we solve some questions from exercise 1C. First of all, we have to solve question number 10 of exercise 1C part A. And in this question, we have to multiply 182,165 with 25. Now see in the question, in multiplication, what is 182,165? It will be multiplicand, as I told you in the start, because this number is going to be multiplied. And students, what is 25? 25 is multiplier, because this number by which is to be multiplied is called multiplier. So 25 is our multiplier here in this question. Now let's start our multiplication. Always keep remember, we start our multiplication with the unit place of the multiplier, then tens place, then hundred place onward. It depends upon the value of multiplier. Here we have multiplied 25, so we will start 5 as it is on the unit place. 5 5s are 25, we will write 5, 2 will be carry. 5 6s are 32, we will write 2, 3 will be carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 3, it will be 8. 5 2s are 10, we will write 0, 1 will be carry. 5 8s are 40, we will write 1, 41. We will write 1, 4 will be carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 will be 9. Now write 0 or cross at unit column and then multiply tens digit of multiplier, which is 2. 2 5s are 10, we will write 0, 1 will be carry. 2 6s are 12 plus 1, it will be 3. 13 we will write 3 and 1 will be carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, we will write 3. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16, we will write 6, 1 will be carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 will be 3. Now add all the columns vertically and always start adding from unit column. 5, we will write 5 as it is, 2 plus 0 will give you 2. 8 plus 3 will be 11, we will write 1, 1 will be carry. 0 plus 3 will be 3 plus 1 will be 4. 1 plus 4 will give you 5. 9 plus 6 will give you 15, we will write 5, 1 will be carry, and 3 plus 1 will be 4. So our answer is 4,554,125. In multiplication, this value is called product. As this is the result or answer of multiplication, so we have to call product. I hope you will understand the steps of multiplication in the question. Now see the next question, question number 11 part A. Now see students, we have given the question in horizontal form and we have to multiply both values. So what will be the first step? First of all, you will write all the question in vertical form and then you will start multiplication. Here we have given 291,200 multiplied by 39. So first of all, we will write the value of multiplicand 291,200. Then we will write our multiplier, which is 39, in the vertical form, and then we will start multiplication. Now you can see, first of all, I have write 291,200, which is our multiplicand. Then I have write 39 as this is our multiplier. Now we will start multiplication. 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, 9 twos are 18, we will write 8, 1 will be carry. 9 ones are 9 plus 1, 10, we will write 0, 1 will be carry. 9 nines are 81 plus 1, it will be 82, we will write 2, 8 will be carry. 9 twos are 18 plus 8 will give you 26. Now move to the tens place of the multiplier, which is 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, we will write 7, 2 will be carry. 3 twos are 6 plus 2 will give you 8. Now add all the columns vertically, starting always from unit column as I told you earlier. 0 as it is, 0 plus 0 will give you 0, 8 plus 0 it will be 8, we will write 8, 0 plus 6 will be 6, we will write 6, 2 plus 3 will be 5, 6 plus 7 will be 13, we will write 3, 1 will be carry, 2 plus 8 will be 10, plus 1 will be 11. Now this is your project value. Hopefully you have learned all the questions which we have solved from exercise 1C. Do practice more and more, and for multiplication, dear student, always keep remember, first of all you have to focus on your tables. So revise your tables on daily basis and do your practice of maths accordingly. Now in this exercise, you have to solve question number 10 part B, C and D and question number 11 part B, C, D, E and F from page number 15. All the best.